Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Shopify missing template layout theme liquid. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix if your theme.liquid file is missing on your Shopify store here. So just to give you an idea, when you access your online store here and go to themes, and click on the three-dot option here next to customize and click on edit code. To be speaking, the first thing that you'll be seeing here is going to be your theme.liquid. But in some cases, people may have accidentally delete that. So there is one way that you could basically revert or get the same the theme.liquid file back into your store. Now, if you're not aware yet, is you can actually add different theme into your account. So we have this thing called theme library. As you can see right now, I have two themes here. I have Spotlight as well as an extra copy of the Dawn theme. So what you could actually do here, so I'm just going to delete this, just give you the idea. Let's go and click on remove. What you could try doing here is you want to scroll down a bit here and you should be able to see the Dawn theme again. So just click on the add button here and it will add that into your theme library. Now, once it's actually installed into your account, so this is another library, another theme that we have right now. You could just click on the publish button that's here at the right side here, and this will actually revert or add the theme.liquid file again into your account. Now, the only downside here is you may need to do some adjustments again on the look of your page, but currently if you've deleted the theme.liquid file here, that's a major issue, so most likely you may need to reinstall the actual theme again. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.